everyone, welcome to my channel. I don't know about you, but I feel like this is the season to actually have some Korean fried chicken, and I'm going to try a few places in the next month. So this first place that we are going to show you is called Bakaba, and according to Google or the website, they are really famous for serving air fried and double fried chicken. So it's super juicy and tender. So we're going to try a few things today and see how it tastes. Wow, finally, we waited for about 10 to 15 minutes in order to get the food, but they said it's freshly made and it's also gluten-free, so it's worth the while to wait. So let's start digging in. Wow, look at this chicken wings with the chili pepper. And this is the famous umami barbecue sauce. This is super crunchy. Wow. And it's quite juicy. This is what I'm here for, which is the chicken tenders. It's humongous and the breading is very thin. Look at this. Alright, they have a different sauce, which is called a sesame ginger. Look at that. Wow. This is so juicy. And I've never tasted fried chicken that is so crunchy. Wow. I love biscuit. Look, it's smoking hot. Wow, it smells like so buttery. So definitely for this place, Bakaba, I would give it a 8 out of 10 for fried chicken that I've tried. So let's go to the next place and see whether it's gonna be better than this one. Hey everyone, this is our second Korean fried chicken stop, which is called Sodam Chicken. It is in Shoreline, Washington, which is about 10 minutes from downtown Seattle. And we're going to try a number of different flavors, plus the fried rice and a few other appetizers. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the Go Fried Chicken. Wow, let me try this one. I can smell a little bit of butter. Oh, juicy and so crispy. So I have the hot barbecue sauce. Actually, it's a little bit sweet. And I also have the yangnyeom sauce. Ooh. Whoa, this is the yangnyeom chicken wings. The sauce that they use is apple and cinnamon. Alright, let's try this yangnyeomchicken. Look at my finger. It's sweet, not that spicy. But then the sauce hang on to the chicken wings so well. Oh, this is definitely the best one so far. Yeah, this is the soy garlic, and I think this one is the most popular one. When I look on Yelp, everybody recommended this, so give it a try. I like this because everything with garlic, I love it. And this doesn't make your fingers so dirty, so I think a lot of ladies will actually like it. I haven't tried topoki for a long time, but look at this thing, it's huge. Whoa, so cheesy. I love the rice cake. It's cooked perfectly, so it's a little bit chewy. but it's easy to eat. And this sauce is sweet and a little bit spicier, just like the yangnyeomchicken. Well, I've been too busy eating these delicious chicken wings, and now I'm moving on to the garlic chicken fried rice. Buttery, garlicky. It's awesome. Wow, this meal is so big, and the owner is awesome. I was talking to him, and he really told me how he opened this restaurant and all the story behind. So Showdown in Korean actually means plenty full of food and tastiness. And he actually went to a Korean trade show with all these fried chicken franchise, and then he picked this one because the chicken is actually still crispy after a couple hours, and they really love the sauce, and the sauce is actually coming from South Korea. So you know what, I can really taste the love of the food here, and the owners and the servers here are so welcoming. If you are in the Seattle or Shoreline area, definitely check out this place. And let me know in the comments what has been your favorite dish in this video, and tell me what other Korean places that you want me to visit. See you next time. Bye.